Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Whop step by step. So let's get started. First, log into your Whop account and go to your dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Balances. If this is your first time withdrawing money, you'll need to set up Whop payments before you can receive any payouts. Click on Set up Whop payments and select your country. After that, complete the KYC verification process by entering your personal information, linking your bank account, and uploading a valid ID document. Once your information is verified, you'll be ready to receive payments. Now go back to Dashboard and click on Balances. Here you can see your available balance, pending balance, and any recent withdrawals. The available balance is the amount you can withdraw right now. Next, add your preferred payout method if you haven't already. Depending on your account and region, you may be able to use a bank account, PayPal, Coinbase Commerce, or other supported options. To withdraw your money, go to Dashboard and click on Balances, then click on Withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw or click Max to withdraw the full available balance. After entering the amount, click Continue. Now review all the payout details carefully. Once everything looks good, click Payout to confirm the withdrawal. That's it. Your withdrawal request will be processed and the funds will be sent according to your selected payout method and schedule.